Hi everybody, welcome to my unboxing video for the Stephen West MCAL. I have never bought a kit from Stephen and Penelope before, but this year, because I couldn't decide what yarn I was going to use, I thought for the thrill of the MCAL and the YouTube video channel, I decided to purchase my own Stephen and Penelope kit. Now you guys have probably seen lots of unboxing videos already, but I'm excited to unbox mine. So over to the kit. Excited. Okay, so here goes. The box is already getting on top of me. Heaven knows how I'm supposed to open it. But here we go. I can't even get that off. Here's the scissors. Oh my goodness me, the box is so nice and I'm destroying it. Right. Ah! I think I'm just going to have to break in. Maybe if I do that. Oh, look. There we go. Well, that's easier. Well, that was just silly of me. Oh my goodness me. Look. I can't remember the name of the kit that I purchased. Hold on, maybe it's in here. No, I don't think so. I will have to put it on the screen. But what I decided to do was I bought the kit and then 3 different corresponding mohairs to go with it. The glow hair. Here we go. That, and a spurious little blue colour, and then the bag. It's all going to go in the bag. The bag is glorious. It's a Hessian bag, and in here I have some stickers and love that, a pink She's crafty. I'm crafty. A lot of people will probably think that I'm crafty. Here we go. Exciting. Look forward to the MCAL. Are you going to join? See you later. Bye, everybody.